In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export DWF files in AutoCAD quickly and easily. This is a really useful process if you want to share your drawing in a lightweight format that others can open and review without needing your full AutoCAD file. DWF files are great for sending designs, preserving your layout, and making it easier for clients or teammates to view your work. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to export. Make sure the file is fully open and that you're working with the correct layout or design before you begin. Once your drawing is ready, go down to the command line and type plot, then press enter. This will open the plot dialog box, which is where you'll set up the export settings for your DWF file. In the plot dialog, look for the printer or plotter option. From that drop-down menu, select DWF6 ePlot.pc3. This tells AutoCAD that you want to output your drawing as a DWF file instead of sending it to a physical printer. Next, choose the paper size that matches your project. This is important because the paper size affects how your drawing is arranged and scaled in the final file. After that, move on to the plot area setting. Here you can choose layout if you want to export the current layout, extents if you want AutoCAD to use the full size of the drawing, or window if you want to manually select a specific area. Pick the option that best fits what you want to share, then check the plot scale. If needed, adjust the scale so the drawing fits properly and appears the way you expect in the exported DWF file. Taking a moment to confirm this can help you avoid export issues and make sure the final result looks professional. If you want, you can also click preview before exporting. This is optional, but it's a smart step because it lets you see what the DWF output will look like before you save it. If everything looks good in the preview, go ahead and click OK. AutoCAD will then ask you to choose a file location and enter a file name for your DWF export. Pick the folder where you want to save the file, type in a clear name so you can find it easily later, and then click Save. AutoCAD will create the DWF file based on the settings you selected. And that's it. You've successfully exported a DWF file in AutoCAD. This is a simple but very useful workflow once you get used to it, especially when you need to share drawings efficiently and keep file sizes manageable. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more AutoCAD tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.